Okay, this video I'm going to show how we export the one third octave band or 1 octave band data. So after the data has been downloaded to the computer in the data browser, we can go to catalog or we can go to the specific folder files. So let's say I'm looking at this particular project and these are the files that I want to look at. So if I can double click on this file, I would have this information. So the current panels available we have a session header, which is indicated over here, instrument configuration, which is indicated over here, and then logger results, which is indicated over here. So you see there's 1, 1 and 1/3. So let's say if I picked, I can pick anyone, I double click on this 1/3 octave band, I will add another panel at the bottom. So here we are only seeing the graphical. If I select this button over here, which is to export the data, only selected, only this one, selected files would be sent out, which I do not want. What I want to do is to come over here, whereby I can select these data files. I can click on here, and then from here, if I export, and then selected files, and I click on OK, then in my so-called like Excel, I will have all the data over here. So these are all the so-called the file that has been exported, right? So then we can look at them. Now what if I want to, I don't want to save this, what if I want to come over, see this session here, this is created based on what I did earlier on when I double click on this particular file. Now I can come over here and delete this session. Deleting session doesn't mean that I'm deleting all the data, right? All the data are still inside the database. Let's say if I click all of them, 1, 2, and 3, say if I click on the shift button, I press on the shift button, click on this, and right click, and let's say I have a new session. By doing that, I am opening up all 3 sessions together. More than 30, press no, only first 30 item. Okay, let's say okay, press no, only first 30 item. So these are where the data files are combined into one particular session, right? So let's say if I double click on this 1/3 octave band, notice that the data is actually split between this timing to this timing, and then of course I have if I can move over back and forth, okay, this is that, this is that. Okay, I will not look at the log data at this moment. I can always come over here and click on the data file. Let's say if I double click on 1/3 octave band, likewise I can click on this file. I can select whatever I want to select, and then let's say I do this and export the files, then all the files will be exported to this Excel so-called file over here. Now I can, if I want to remove them, I can actually pull the data file directly into this this session data if I want to, right? So that's how we combine the different files into one particular report.